Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can restore the deleted or lost pictures in the Gallery app on your Samsung Galaxy S8 or the S8 Plus with 2021 update, the latest software update. So first let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on the Gallery app. Once the Gallery app has opened, so I'm going to delete a photo or two just to show you that it's now been removed. As you can see, that has been removed. And to bring it back, what you want to do is tap on the menu key at the top here and then tap on settings, not settings, sorry. So tap on the more button and then tap on recycle bin. And in here you want to select a photos or videos that you want to restore. And then tap on the restore button down at the bottom. And that's it. Now it has been restored back to your gallery. And that's it. And you can see it's all here. And finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.